And here we go, 2014 Panini Prizm Baseball. This one going out to Alan Leah as well. Good luck, and let's get to breaking. 2 autograph cards and 6 Prizm cards per box. 12 packs in the box. Fun product to break, lots of nice looking cards. Hopefully we can get you a big hit here. And we started off, there's a Jose Abreu rookie right there, and we start off with a Next Era Jameson Taillon insert card. And we've got the Jordan Zimmerman Intuition Prizm insert card. And the Evan Longoria Prizm. And we have a Matt Holliday Blue Prizm. This one is going to be numbered 20 of 75 on the Matt Holliday Blue Prizm card right there. And we've got the Andrew McCutchen Diamond Dominance. And we've got the Matt Carpenter Top of the Order. And we've got a nice autograph hit right here. It's going to be the Oscar Taveras Prizm. So cool hit right there for the St. Louis Cardinals top prospect, now currently in the majors. Next pack up, we have a Manny Machado 18 under USA team card. And we've got a purple Prizm. This one is going to be Chris Davis. That is numbered 11 of 99. And we also have a Chris Perez autograph, Los Angeles Dodgers. 4 packs to go here. Had the cool Oscar Taveras Prizm autograph as the big hit thus far. And we've got the Michael Wacha Prizm. And we've got the Chasing the Hall Albert Pujols. Big Mama Jamma, good times out in Chantilly. Lots of fun, lots of cool people to meet, lots of cool people, a few cool people that have participated with us here on Breakers TV swinging by. Always good to meet them. As we've got Travis d'Arnaud here, the rookie reign. And certainly look forward to meeting some more folks out at the National coming up in a couple weeks in Cleveland. Again, we will be out in the corporate area with all your wrapper redemption product needs. Should be an absolute blast out there in Cleveland for the 2014 National. We've got the Jim Johnson purple Prizm to finish things off, 93 of 99.